All right, today on Unpacked, we are going to play. Yeah, we're gonna play. We're gonna open some interactive toy packaging. Some playful packaging, as we say, right?
Yep.
Is that what we say? How do you say it?
Playful packaging.
Playful packaging. You say it much more gently than I do. And so what we have here is a Little Live Pets Little Nippers fish. Is that cool? What color is it?
Pink.
Pink. And we'll talk a little bit about what the packaging is constructed out of, but this is this idea where you've taken a toy and you've brought more to it. And I've not done one of these before. We found this and thought it was pretty cool, but the idea is that the packaging actually adds to the experience of the toy. All right, so let's dig in here. The instructions on the back say remove the card wrapper, then we're gonna dip the bag in the water and the fish is gonna swim out. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Sound cool?
Yeah.
All right, so let's get this off of here. There's quite some tape on there. All right, not too bad. Oh, cool. There's a little instructions in the bottom of this, and there's kind of like a little aquarium scene in there.
Let's get the water, Daddy.
Let's get it. Gonna get that water. All right, are you ready, Piper?
Yes.
Okay, you're just gonna hold it like in the water, okay? Yeah, just keep it there. Oh, it started flapping. Keep holding it. There it goes. Pick up. Pick up. All right, what is this thing? It is a dissolving strip.
I'm not sure what it is.
Thanks. Anyways, there's a dissolvable film at the bottom of this thing, and when it opens up, just the kind of natural spring of this thermoform here opens up, and it's a kind of a complicated thermoform structure. It's 4 pieces that are taped together. There's 2 on this side and 2 on this side to create this thing. And here's a little pro tip right here. It has a kind of a purplish tinge to the plastic. That actually means it's PVC, which is not a recyclable plastic and also not a preferred plastic in a lot of applications. And there's a lot of industries and companies that are getting rid of all PVC in all. But this really isn't about the sustainability component. This is about this playfulness, doing something a little bit special. And in this case, they could have just put it in a thermoform shell and you open it up and you put the fish in water. But this idea that you actually dip the whole thing in there and it opens up this dissolving tape and it swims out, I think is a really cool way of making this a little bit more playful. There you go. All right, was that cool? What do you name the fish?
Blinky.
Blinky. All right, well that's this little just simple packaging. I don't know. So anyways, just wanted to highlight something that was super simplistic, how you can add value to a product with the packaging and the way that you created that experience. And yeah, that's it. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Goodness, I yanked your hair. All right, what do we say?
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.